Hi everyone, Nkiruoh here. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, Happy Hanukkah. Today I want to show you how to make this delicious cabbage, carrot, beetroot salad. Without wasting time, let's do it. 1/4 cabbage, shredded. Put it in the bowl. Sprinkle some salt in it. I'm using sea salt. Use the salt you have. Carrot, shredded or grated. Beetroot, washed, peeled, and I want to show you how I shred it or grated it. This is the grater I'm using, and this is the beetroot. This is healthy, this is delicious, this is easy to make. I pre-shredded the cabbage and the carrot to lessen the cooking time. Add it in the bowl. For our salad dressing, we're using 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1/4 cup, that's 60 ml. Add it in a cup. To it, you add juice of half lemon. Pour in there. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Half teaspoon. Mix everything together. And pour it. Pour it in the bowl. Now for toppings, you can use anything you want to top this salad, but I add some nuts. You can dish the salad and add nuts, or you can add everything before you mix it. So this is chopped walnuts and almond. So I'm adding five tablespoons. I also add golden raisins, 1/4 cup, and black raisins, 2 tablespoons. Mix everything together. Isn't it beautiful? You can check for salt. You can garnish with parsley or cilantro. For this, I will serve it with baked chicken. You can serve with any protein of choice so that it will be balanced. Let me check for salt. This is delicious. We are missing something. I missed onions. And I will add it. 1 onion. And it again. Try it. I bet you may not want to stop eating it. It's good. It's easy to make. It's delicious. And it's healthy. Thank you for your support and your love. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I share a new video. Until next video, this is Nkiruoh wishing you the best through life. Once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy Hanukkah to you all. Take care and remain blessed. Bye-bye.